Hello students, today we are going to continue with our chapter The Rat Race, which is composed or written by Selma Lagerlof. Okay, and in the past two lectures we have studied about the characters, theme, title of the story, and we have taken almost half of the chapter as well. Okay, we left the chapter at a point when the peddler stole the money from the crofter. He got trapped in a forest. After that, he went to an iron mill. Okay, there the owner of the iron mill was a famous iron master. He misidentified him as his old regimental friend. Okay, and having misidentified him, he requests him to go to his house, to accompany him for the Christmas festival. But the stranger was afraid because on one place he had stolen the money, and secondly he did not want to be introduced as a captain. So he continuously refused the ironmaster to go with him to his house. Okay, so we left the chapter at a point where the stranger kept on denying about the thought of going at his house, at the house of the ironmaster. Now let's take the chapter. It looks as though we are reading from page 37 in the middle of the chapter, middle of the page. It looks as though Captain Wonsdale preferred to stay with you, Stanstrom. Stanstrom is the name of the blacksmith who was sitting there. So when the stranger or the peddler had denied a lot of time, so the master said to the blacksmith that it looks that he is more interested in staying with you here in the iron. Okay. He said to the master blacksmith and turned on his heel. And he turned on his heel means he turned from there to go out of the mill. But he laughed to himself as he went away, and the blacksmith, who knew him, understood very well that he had not said his last word. And the blacksmiths, who were very familiar with him, they understood that he had not said his last word. Last word means he has not given up completely in his efforts of taking him home. मतलब वो ये बात समझ गए कि भाई अभी जो है इसने हार नहीं मानी है. He will make another attempts to take the stranger or to take the peddler his home. और भी efforts अभी वो करेगा. It was not more than half an hour before they heard the sound of carriage wheels outside the fort. And it was nearly like 30 minutes when they heard a carriage got stopped outside the forge or outside the mill, है ना, कि उनको गाड़ी के जो है wheels की आवाजें सुनाई दी. And a new guest came in. This time it was a new guest, but this time it was not the ironmaster. It was not the ironmaster. He had sent his daughter, apparently, clearly, hoping that she would have better powers of persuasion. Persuasion, convincing powers. Okay, means the ironmaster thought that she could convince him in a better way or in a purposeful manner. Okay, उसको ऐसा लगा कि जो मेरी daughter है उसको ज़्यादा अच्छे से convince कर सकती है हमारे घर आने के लिए. So in the makeup of his last effort, है ना, अपने last effort के तौर पर जो है उसने क्या किया? He sent his daughter. She entered followed by a valet, means she was accompanied by a personal servant carrying on his arm a big fur coat. He was having a coat with him. She was not at all pretty, means she was not beautiful to look at. In her looks she was not beautiful, but she modest, she was kind and quite shy. She was shy by the nature. She was not so fluent or not so, means जैसे ज़्यादा speaking, she was shy by the nature, है ना, थोड़ा सा introvert थी. In the fort, everything was just as it had been earlier in the evening. The scene was as it had been earlier when the master had visited there. The master blacksmith and his apprentice still sat on their bench. They were sitting on their bench, and the iron and charcoal still glowed in the furnace. And the iron and charcoal was glowing, shining in the furnace. The stranger had stretched himself out on the floor and lay with a piece of pig iron under his head and his coat pulled down over his eyes. Means he was as a pillow. He was using a piece of iron and he has stretched himself on the floor. जैसे उसके जमीन पे ही वो लेट गया था. As soon as the young girl caught sight of him, as soon as she saw him, she went up and lifted his hat. She picked up his hat. The man was evidently used to sleeping with one eye open. One eye open means to sleep in an alert way, क्योंकि he was a thief by nature. तो कैसे सोते थे वो? एक alert उसमें सोते थे ना, कि भाई कहीं कभी कोई भी कुछ भी ऐसा इंसिडेंट हो सकती है. तो they had to keep themselves alert all the time. तो जैसे उसने उसकी hat को टच किया, he suddenly got up. He jumped up abruptly, suddenly, and seemed to be quite frightened, and he seemed to be afraid. My name is Adela Williamson, said the young girl. My father came home and said you wanted to sleep here in the first tonight, and then I asked permission to come and bring you home to us. I'm sorry, Captain, that you are having such a hard time. She immediately told herself that she introduced herself as Adela Williamson. She said that my name is Adela Williamson and my father came home and he told that जैसे उसने बताया कि I have met my old friend और मैंने उससे बार-बार रिक्वेस्ट की घर आने के लिए, लेकिन वो एग्री नहीं है. तो मैंने उनसे परमिशन मांगी कि मैं यहाँ आऊँ और आपको अपने साथ घर लेकर चलूँ. Okay. She looked at him compassionately. Compassionately means with a pity, with sympathy. है ना, एक काइंडनेस के साथ जो है. With her heavy eyes, and then she noticed that the man was afraid. Either he has stolen something or else he has escaped from jail. Now the important statement. She at once realized, है ना, कि भाई या तो इसने कोई स्टीलिंग की है या कोई मिस जो है अपनी करके या किसी तरह से किसी को हार्म करके या किसी को चीट करके या तो ये आया है और इधर ही हैज एस्केप्ड फ्रॉम जेल या जेल से एस्केप किया. इस उसके नेचर के बारे में दैट ही इज नॉट ए गुड पर्सन, उसको उसी जो है ना ऑन द स्पॉट फर्स्ट जो है मीटिंग में या फर्स्ट साइड पे उसको रियलाइज हो गया था. बट she had in her mind that he was a friend to his father, her father. तो उसने उसको उसी जो है कंपैशन, उसी काइंडनेस, उसी एक लव के साथ उसको ट्रीट किया. She thought and added quickly, you may be sure, Captain, that you will be allowed to leave us just as freely as you can. Means we will allow you to leave our house as freely as you come in our house. कि हम आपको उतने ही freely, उतने ही जो है अच्छे तरीके से आपको जाने देंगे जितने अच्छे तरीके से हम आपको लेकर जा रहे हैं. Only please stay with us over Christmas Eve. We only want that you celebrate the Christmas Eve with us. हम ये चाहते हैं कि आप एज ए गेस्ट हमारे साथ चले. क्रिसमस की जो सेलिब्रेशन है, क्रिसमस की जो हैप्पीनेस है, वो आप हमारे साथ शेयर करें. She said this in such a friendly manner that the rat peddler must have felt confidence in her. She said all these things in a friendly manner. इतने अच्छे तरीके से कही उसने ये सब बातें कि rat seller को एकदम से उसमें कॉन्फिडेंस हो गया. और कॉन्फिडेंस क्या, जब उसने कहा कि हम आपको उतने फ्रीली जाने के लिए अलाउ करेंगे, तो उसको he had nothing to be afraid of. अब उसको डर ही नहीं बचा था, क्योंकि उसको तो सारा डर ही इस बात का था कि भाई मैं उसके घर जाऊंगा, कोई मुझे अरेस्ट कर सकता है, कोई क्रॉस क्वेश्चनिंग कर सकता है. और जब उसने कहा कि भाई, जब उसने इस बात के लिए अश्योर कर दिया कि भाई हम आपको उतने फ्रीली जाने के लिए अलाउ करेंगे, so he had no fear left in his mind and he got angry. It would have now he cannot say, भाई अब ये नहीं कह सकता कि चलो आप हमें अरेस्ट नहीं करेंगे या किसी तरह से कोई दिक्कत नहीं आएगी, चलो मैं चलता हूँ. अब उसने उस बात को मैनिपुलेट करके कैसे बोला, It would never have occurred to me that you would bother with me yourself, Missy said. कहता मुझे लगता नहीं था कि आप लोग मेरी इतनी परवाह करते हैं, है ना, कि आप लोग सच में जो है मींस रियली में जेन्युइनली ये चाहते हैं कि मैं आपके घर चलूं. मुझे तो ऐसा लगता था कि आप ये जो फादर है एज ए फ्रेंड जो है फॉर्मेलिटी कर रहे हैं, फॉर्मेलिटी शो कर रहे हैं, लेकिन जब आप मुझे यहाँ बुलाने के लिए आए हैं तब मुझे लगा है कि यस यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन रियल सेंस, कि आप सच में इंटरेस्ट है मुझे घर चलने के लिए. आई विल कम एट वंस, तो मैं आपके साथ चलता हूँ. He accepted the fur coat which the valet handed him with a deep bow. With respect, the servant handed him the coat, threw it over his legs, even he wore it, and followed the young lady out to the carriage. And he went outside the mill without granting the astonished, surprised blacksmith so much as a glance. मीन्स उन्होंने ये सब कैसे हुआ उसके लिए कि भाई उन लोगों ने जब उसको अलाउ किया था तभी तो हुआ, लेकिन उसने उनको थैंक्स तो कहने की दूर है, उनकी तरफ एक बार मुड़ के भी नहीं देखा जो ब्लैकस्मिथ वहां पर पहले से बैठे. But while he was riding up to the manor house, he had evil forebodings, evil premonitions, means उसके दिमाग में बुरे बुरे विचार आ रहे थे ना कि भाई मैं कैसे उसमें फंस गया हूँ इस तरह से. Why the devil did I take that fellow's money? He thought that why did I take the fellow means crofter's money? Now I am sitting in the trap and will never get out of it. Now I am sitting in this trap and will never be able to come out of it. कभी इससे बाहर नहीं निकल पाऊंगा. The next day was Christmas Eve, and when the ironmaster came into the dining room for breakfast, he probably thought with satisfaction of his old regimental comrade whom he had run so unexpectedly. Means next day was Christmas, so when the ironmaster came to his room for breakfast और dining table पर आया तो he was very satisfied कि भाई चलो मुझे इससे अच्छा जो है मेरे लिए कुछ नहीं हो सकता कि इस क्रिसमस फेस्टिवल पे मुझे मेरा एक पुराना फ्रेंड मिला है और मैं उसके लिए इस क्रिसमस के ऊपर कुछ कर पाऊंगा. Okay, so he was satisfied with this thought. First of all, we must see to it that he gets a little flesh on his bones, he said to his daughter, who was busy at the table. The daughter, Adela, who was busy at the arranging the table. तो उसने अपने डॉक्टर को इंस्ट्रक्ट किया कि पहले तो हम इस बात को इंश्योर करेंगे कि हम उसको एक अच्छा हेल्दी सा खाना दें ताकि उसकी बॉडी में थोड़ी सी स्ट्रेंथ और पावर जनरेट हो सके. इस लिटिल फ्लैश ऑन हिज बोन्स मींस जैसे बिल्कुल पतला सा और एक तरह से वीक है तो थोड़ा अच्छा सा हम उसको खाना खिलाएं ताकि उसमें थोड़ी स्ट्रेंथ जनरेट हो. And then we must see that he gets something else to do to run around the country selling rat traps. और फिर हम उसके लिए कोई एक अच्छी सी रेप्यूटेड जॉब भी सर्च करनी होगी किसकी बजाय कि भाई वो इधर उधर घूमता रहे और rat trap सेलिंग करे. इसके अलावा हमें उसके लिए कोई अच्छी सी जो है क्या करनी होगी एक जॉब सर्च करनी होगी या एक अच्छा सा काम सर्च करना पड़ेगा जो इसके कंपैरिजन में रिस्पेक्टेड भी रेप्यूटेड भी हो और उसमें एक बेटर अर्निंग भी उसके लिए हो सके. It is strange that things have gone downhill with him as badly as that, said the daughter. Then the daughter said that I am surprised कि चीजें उसके साथ इतनी unfortunate हुई हैं. She said that last night I did not think there was anything about him to show that he had once been an educated man. Means last night when I conversed with him, so I was surprised that there was nothing in him that showed that he was once an educated person. कि वो कभी educated भी रहा था कि कभी उसने पढ़ाई भी की होगी अपनी लाइफ में है ना कि he was ill mannered. Okay, एक tramp और जो है without manner जो है आदमी लगता था. You must have patience, my little girl, said the father. As soon as he gets clean and dressed up, you will see something different. Means क्योंकि ऐसे एनवायरनमेंट में रहकर उसका नेचर भी ऐसा हो गया है, उसके मैनरिज्म भी ऐसा हो गया है, उसकी टॉकिंग भी ऐसी हो गई है, लेकिन जैसे ही वो अपने आप को बादिंग अप करेगा और जैसे ही अच्छे से ड्रेसअप करेगा, you will see something different. Last night he was naturally embarrassed. Last night he was feeling humiliated. और उससे क्या हो रहा था कि भाई अच्छे से आंसर भी नहीं कर रहा था वो क्वेश्चन के बातों के. The trap manners will fall away from him with the trap clothes. और जैसे ही वो अपने trap clothes उतारेगा जो है ना, he will आवारा लोगों वाले जो भी अनसिविलाइज्ड क्लोथिंग जो है अपने बॉडी से उतारेगा, वैसे उसके जो अनसिविलाइज्ड मैनर्स हैं वो भी उससे क्या हो जाएंगे, दूर हो जाएंगे. But just as he said this, the door opened and the stranger entered, and the peddler entered. Yes, now he was truly clean and well dressed. Now he was clean. Okay, he had taken a bath and he was well dressed. The valet had bathed him. The servant had made him bath, cut his hair and shaved him. उसको shave किया था और उसके hair cutting की थी. Moreover, he was dressed in a good-looking suit of clothes which belonged to the ironmaster. He wore a white shirt and a starched collar and whole shoes. Means he was a good suit. Means अच्छी dress पहने हुए था, which belonged to the ironmaster. But although his guest was now so well groomed, the ironmaster did not seem pleased. But the guest was so well groomed, means he was dressed up in very good clothes. But the ironmaster did not seem pleased. But this thing did not bring any happiness to the ironmaster. Okay, why? कुछ नहीं हुआ, अच्छे से तैयार था, अच्छे से जो है उसने अपनी ड्रेसिंग की हुई थी, उसको बादिंग की दी गई थी, उसको उसके फेस को शेव किया गया था, हेयर कटिंग की गई थी, but still the ironmaster was not happy. He looked at him with puckered brow, old जो turned means that is white, and it was easy to understand that when he had seen the strange fellow in the uncertain reflection from the furnace, he might have made a mistake. But that now, when he stood there in broad daylight, it was impossible to mistake him for an old acquaintance. और क्योंकि उसके जो है उसके जो एक्सप्रेशंस थे आयरन मास्टर के, उसको देखकर ही कोई समझ सकता था कि जब इसने इसको रात को अनसर्टेन ग्लो में देखा था, मिल की जो है लाइट में देखा था, देयर वाज नो प्रॉपर लाइट, तो उसने क्या कर दिया था, ही हैड कमिटेड ए मिस्टेक, उसने गलती कर दी थी इन रिकॉग्नाइजिंग द पैडलर, ठीक है, उसको पहचानने में। और क्योंकि अब वो ब्रॉड डे लाइट में अच्छे से फेस को सेव वगैरह करके वहां पर और अच्छे कटिंग के साथ बिल्कुल अपने गुड लुकिंग अपीयरेंस में खड़ा हुआ था, तो अब इम्पॉसिबल था ये कि उसको फिर से क्या किया जाए, मिस आइडेंटिफाई किया जाए। मींस नाउ द आयरन मास्टर हैड रिकॉग्नाइज्ड हिम परफेक्टली। ओके, what does this mean? He thundered, means a loud voice. He said, what is this? Okay, the stranger made no attempt to dissimulate. अब he got understood, ना, the peddler got understood, means वो समझ गया कि भाई ये इसने मुझे पहचान लिया है, तो he did not make any attempt to confuse the things. He sighed once that the splendor had come to an end. He has realized that the good things that were going on with me have come to an end. वो खत्म हो गई है. It is not my fault, sir, he said. I never pretended to be anything but a poor trader, and I pleaded and begged to be allowed to stay in the forts. But no harm has been done. At worst, I can put on my rags and go on. He said that this is not my fault. I always requested you to let me stay there. कि आप मैंने बार-बार आपसे रिक्वेस्ट किया कि मुझे अलाउ किया जाए वहीं पर, but you forced me to come here, you compelled me to come here, है ना, आपने मुझे बार-बार जो है इंसिस्ट किया यहाँ आने के लिए, और मैं तो बार-बार कह रहा था कि भाई मैं तो आई एम ए पुअर ट्रेडर, लेकिन आपने मुझे यहाँ लेकर आए, ठीक है, तो और अब भी कुछ नहीं हुआ है कि एट वर्स्ट मींस सबसे बुरा ये हो सकता है, आई पुट माय क्लोथ्स बैक एंड गो अवे, चला जाता हूँ। Well, said the iron master, hesitating a little. थोड़ा लिटिल रुकते हुए, it was not quite honest either. You must admit that, and I should not be surprised if the sheriff would like to have something to say in this matter. Sheriff means police. I am going to call the police, and he will look into this matter. You are not quite honest. Means आप honest थे तो कम से, अगर आप honest कब हो सकते थे, तब आप मुझे ये perfectly बताते कि I am not your friend, I am not Neil Short, I am not Captain Monster. तो आपने इतने भी honest नहीं रहे हो, आपने मैंने आपको मिसआइडेंटिफाई किया, but you did not try to correct me. आपने मुझे रेक्टिफाई नहीं किया, करेक्ट नहीं किया, तो मीन्स आप इतने भी ऑनेस्ट नहीं थे. It means you are dishonest, and I am going to call the police in this manner. The tramp took a step forward and struck the table with his fist, and hit the table with his fist. Now I am going to tell you, Mr. Ironmaster, how things are. Now I am going to tell you the whole scenario of this world. This whole world is nothing but a big rat trap. All good things that are offered to you are nothing but cheese rinds and bits of box set to drag a poor fellow into trouble. And if the sheriff means, he says that now I am going to tell you the scenario of the world. This world is nothing but a rat trap, and all the good things, all the tempting things that are put are to drag the poor fellow into trouble. वो आप जानबूझ के पेश की जाती है, ऑफर की जाती है, ताकि किसी poor fellow को मुसीबत में खींचा जा सके. And if the sheriff comes now and locks me up for this, then you, Mr. Ironmaster, must remember that a day may come when you yourself may want to get a big piece of pork, and then you will get caught in the trap. Means अगर आप now you are going to call the police and they will lock me up, मुझे lock up में डाल देंगे, but no matter. But there will be a day जब आप भी ऐसा कोई काम करेंगे, कोई फाउल काम करेंगे, और तब आपके लिए भी ऐसा ही होगा, वो वेट होगी आपको, and you yourself will get trapped into the rat trap. The Ironmaster began to laugh. That was not so badly said. Means that is a good thing. Means that is a good idea. Good thinking, my good fellow. Perhaps we should let the sheriff alone on Christmas Eve. चलो पुलिस को छोड़ देते हैं. But now get out of here as fast as you can. But leave my house as fast as you can. But just as the man was opening the door, the daughter said, I think he ought to stay with us today. I don't want him to go. And with this he went and closed the door. The daughter interjected, means उसने इस बीच में जो है इंटरसीड किया और उसने कहा कि he should stay with us today, इसको हमारे साथ ही रुकना चाहिए. And with that she went and closed the door. What in the world are you doing? Said the father. Means what the hell are you doing? The daughter stood there quite embarrassed, insulted, feeling insulted, humiliated, and hardly knew what to answer. That morning she had felt so happy when she thought how homelike and Christmassy she was going to make things for the poor hungry wretch. She could not get away from the idea all at once, and that was why she had interceded, advocated for the vagabond. कि मीन्स सुबह से अपने माइंड में मीन्स कल रात से वो अपने आप किस तरह प्रिपेयर कर रही थी कि किस तरह घर जैसा होम लाइक एनवायरनमेंट उसको देगी, किस तरह की अच्छी डिशेज उसके लिए प्रिपेयर करेगी, कैसा उसको फैमिली लाइफ को फील करवाएगी, कैसा होम लाइक एनवायरनमेंट उसको देगी, उसके लिए प्रोवाइड करने की कोशिश करेंगे। तो वो सब चीजें उसके माइंड में सेट हो चुकी थी और एकदम से उन चीजों को अपने माइंड से नहीं निकाल सकती थी। मीन्स ही वाज नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड टू लीव ऑल दोस थॉट्स। तो इसीलिए उसने उसके लिए मीन्स उसका पक्ष लिया था, उसके लिए एडवोकेसी की थी, उसको रुकने के लिए फोर्स किया था। I am thinking of this stranger here, said the young girl. He walks and walks the whole year long, and there is probably not a single place in the whole country where he is welcome and can feel at home. Wherever he turns, he is chased away. Always he is afraid of being arrested and cross-examined. I should like to have him enjoy a day of peace with us here, just one in the whole year. Miss, look, leave the thought of his being friend or enemy. है ना, छोड़ दीजिए बात हमारा फ्रेंड है नहीं, लेकिन आप एक बात सोचिए, एटलीस्ट ही इज ए ह्यूमन बीइंग। ओके, एटलीस्ट ही इज ए ह्यूमन बीइंग, और एक ऐसा ह्यूमन बीइंग जिसको हमने इनवाइट किया है ना, पर्सनली इनवाइट किया है टू शेयर टू सेलिब्रेट द क्रिसमस। अब क्या होता है कि आप लुक एट हिज कंडीशन, वो चलता रहता है, वॉक्स एंड वॉक्स, हमेशा उसको डर होता है क्रॉस एग्जामिनेशन का, क्रॉस क्वेश्चनिंग का, है ना। और पूरे वर्ल्ड में शायद एक भी जगह ऐसी नहीं है वेयर ही इज वेलकम, जहां पर लोग उसको वेलकम करें, कोई फैमिली नहीं है। सो आई जस्ट वांट हिम टू हैव ए वन डे ऑफ पीस, वन डे ऑफ हैप्पीनेस, है ना, जहाँ पर आप पीसफुली हैप्पीनेस के साथ अच्छे से डिशेज खा सके, एंजॉय कर सके, और कम से कम एक रात जो है वो पीसफुली सो सके। That is what I want. The master muttered something in his beard. He could not bring himself to oppose her. And उसका argument इतना अच्छा था, किसका, एडला कि वो उसको oppose नहीं कर पाया। It was all a mistake, of course, he continued. उसका मानती हूँ कि we misidentify him. But anyway, I don't think we ought to chase away, means let go away, a human being whom we have asked to come here and to whom we have promised Christmas cheer. मानती हूँ हमने इसको मिस आइडेंटिफाई किया, लेकिन एक ऐसे पर्सन को जिसको हमने पर्सनली इनवाइट किया, अपने घर लेकर आए हैं, और हम उसको सिर्फ इस बात से घर से जो है भगा दे या जाने के लिए बोल दे क्योंकि हम उसको जानते नहीं। क्रिसमस में तो लोग स्ट्रेंजर्स को हेल्प करते हैं, उनको गिफ्ट्स देते हैं, और इसको तो हम पर्सनली इनवाइट करके आए हैं, तो इट इज आवर मोरल ड्यूटी टू डू द सेम, कि हम उसको उतनी ही नाइसली ट्रीट करें। यू डू प्रीच वर्स देन ए पार्सन, said the master, means your speech is not good enough as a parson. I only hope you won't have to regret it, कि आपको बाद में इसके लिए रिग्रेट ना करना पड़े। This is my only hope. The young girl took the stranger by the hand and led him to the table. उसको जो है टेबल पर लेकर गई। Now sit down and eat, she said, for she could see that her father had given, because she had seen that her father had given him. उन्होंने हार मान ली थी इस बार। The man with the red dress said not a word. He only sat down and helped himself to the food, and he started eating. He did not say a single word. Rather, he started eating. Time after time, he looked at the young girl who had advocated for him, जिसने उसका पक्ष लिया था. Why had she done it? क्यों किया उसने ऐसा? What could the crazy idea be? And what could be the idea behind it? After that Christmas Eve, at Ramzo passed just as it always had, जैसे होती थी हमेशा। The stranger did not cause any trouble because he did nothing but sleep. उसने किसी के लिए कुछ नहीं किया। He kept on sleeping, सोता रहा। The whole forenoon he lay on the sofa in one of the guest rooms, means दोपहर से पहले he kept on sleeping, और जो है सोफा पर सोता रहा, and slept at one stretch, एक ही तरफ। At noon they woke him up, दोपहर में उसको जगाया गया, so that he could have his share of good Christmas fare, but after that he slept again. उसके बाद वो फिर से सो गया। It seemed as though for many years he had not been able to sleep as quietly and safely as here at Ramzo. ऐसा फील होता था, ऐसा लगता था कि काफी सालों से, काफी टाइम से इतनी पीसफुल स्लीप उसने एंजॉय नहीं की है जितनी की यहाँ रामसो में वो कर पा रहा है। In the evening when the Christmas tree was lighted, they woke him up again. In the evening he was again made to wake up, but he stood for a while in the drawing room, blinking as though the candlelight hurt, because his nature was a thief, है ना, by nature he was a thief, तो लाइट में उसको ट्रबल हो रही थी। He used to live in darkness or such kind of adverse things, तो उसको बड़ा परेशानी हो रही थी वहाँ पर। But after that he disappeared again. 2 hours later he was aroused once more. एक बार फिर से उसको जगाया गया. He then had to go down into the dining room and eat the Christmas feast and donuts. तब उसको डिनर के लिए इनवाइट किया गया. मीन्स वो जब पर्सनली उसको जाते बुला कर लाते तब ठीक है, अदरवाइज अब कुछ टाइम के बाद, मोमेंट्स के बाद he went to sleep, सोने चला गया. As soon as they got up from the table, he went around to each one present and said thank you. सभी को उसने thanks कहा and good night. But when he came to the young girl, she gave him to understand. So the girl made him understand that it was her father's intention that the suit which he wore was to be a Christmas present. The dress you are wearing is a Christmas present from my father. He did not have to return it, and you need not to return it. आपको ये वापस नहीं करना है. And he wanted to spend next Christmas Eve in a place where he could rest in peace. और अगर आप चाहें कि अगर आप नेक्स्ट क्रिसमस भी पीसफुली जो है एक अच्छी सी जगह पर स्पेंड करना चाहें, एंड बी श्योर दैट नो इविल वुड बी फॉल हिम, और जहां पर आप अश्योर हो सकें कि देयर वुड बी नो ट्रबल फॉर यू, ही वुड बी वेलकम्ड बैक अगेन. वी विल वेलकम यू अगेन मींस नेक्स्ट ईयर यू कैन कम हियर एज वेल. The man with the red dress did not answer anything to this. He did not make any answer. He only stared at the young girl in boundless amazement, with boundless surprise, and with a lot of surprise. He kept on staring at the girl. The next morning, the ironmaster and his daughter got up in good season. They got up early to go to the Christmas service. Means they had to go to the church for Christmas service. Their guest was still asleep. He was still sleeping, and they did not disturb him. Okay. When at about 10 o'clock they drove back. When they were driving back from the church, the young girl sat and hung her head even more dejectedly with disappointment. And she was dejected, she was sad, she was disappointed than usual, जितना वो usually होती थी. At church she had learned that one of the old crofters of the ironworks had been robbed by a man who went around selling red crabs. There she got to know कि हमारा जो एक क्रॉफ्टर जो पहले काम करता था हमारी लैंड्स के ऊपर, he had been robbed by a man who went around selling his red crabs. उसको वहाँ पर ये पता चला कि जो हमारा एक पुराना क्रॉफ्टर था, क्योंकि वहाँ पर लोग गए थे वो इकट्ठा, तो वहाँ से उसको ये पता चला कि हमारा एक क्रॉफ्टर जो पहले हमारे यहाँ काम करता था उसको रॉब कर दिया गया. मीन्स एक थेफ्ट, स्टीलिंग हुई थी उसके घर पे, और स्टीलिंग करने वाला कौन था? जो रेड क्रेब सेलर था. तो शी अंडरस्टूड that was the man who had done that thing. Yes, that was a fine fellow you let into the house, said the father. And now the father said that means he was criticizing, making satirical comments on her. I only wonder, means that was a fine fellow you let into the house. कि कितना अच्छा आदमी था जिसको अपने घर पे रखा. I only wonder how many silver spoons are left in the cupboard by this time. I am thinking कि how many silver spoons, means he must have stolen all of them. अब तक तो चुरा के जा चुका होगा. The wagon had hardly stopped at the front steps when the ironmaster asked the valet whether the stranger was still there. Asked the servant whether the stranger was there. He added that he had heard at church that the man was a thief. उसने सर्वेंट को ये भी बताया कि हमें ये पता चला है चर्च पे कि that the man was a thief. The valet answered that the fellow had gone and that he had not taken anything with him at all. उसने बताया कि वो जा तो चुका है, but he had not taken anything with him at all. He had not taken anything from his house. On the contrary, on the opposition to it, he had left behind a little package. He has left a package which Miss Williamson was to be kind enough to accept as a Christmas present. जो कि क्या करना है? मिस विलियमसन को एक क्रिसमस प्रेजेंट के तौर पे एक्सेप्ट करना है. मींस he has left a Christmas present for Miss Adela Williamson. The young girl opened the package which was so badly done up. Means उसकी जो पैकिंग थी वो इतनी खराब थी that the contents came into view at once. That the contents got visible at once. She gave a little cry of joy. She became very happy and she gave a cry of joy. She found a small rat trap and in it lay 3 wrinkled 10 kroner notes. There was a rat trap और उसमें वो 10 kroner notes, 3 10 kroner notes were lying there. But that was not all. In the rat trap lay also a letter. There was a letter as well written in large jagged characters. Jagged means uneven characters. Honored and noble miss, since you have been so nice to me all day long, because you have been nice to me all day long, as if I was a captain, as if I was a real captain, I want to be nice to you in return. I also want to be nice to you in return to that. As if I was a real captain. As if I was a real captain. Means because you have given me the treatment of a real captain, and in return to it, I also want to behave like a real captain. For I do not want you to be embarrassed, means insulted, get insulted at this Christmas season by a thief, because I don't want that you get insulted by a thief on this Christmas season, Christmas festival. But you can give back the money to the old man on the roadside. Please return the money to the man on the roadside who has the money pouch hanging on the window frame as a bait for poor voters. Who has got the leather pouch hanging on the window frame as a bait for poor voters. है ना, कि भाई जिसने वो क्या करते हैं कि he has put the money on the जिस विंडो पर रखा हुआ वो पाउच, कि अब क्या होता है कि जैसे जितना इजी हमें चीजें मिलती हैं ऐसे पुअर फेलोज को, तो उतना जल्दी उसको लेने की कोशिश करते हैं। तो उसने कहा कि भाई उसने भी वहां पर रखा हुआ है और वो एज ए बेट सर्व करती है पुअर वॉन्टर्स के लिए। तो उसने कहा कि रिटर्न दैट मनी टू द क्रॉफ्टर। The rat trap is a Christmas present from a rat who would have been caught in the world's rat trap if he had not been raised to captain. And this rat trap is a Christmas gift for you from a rat who have been caught in the world's rat trap. वो इस वर्ल्ड के rat trap में फंस गया होता if he had not been raised to captain, अगर उसको एक कैप्टन का स्टेटस नहीं मिला होता। Because in that way he got power to clear himself. Because in this way he got enough power to purify himself, to give up the evil, bad ideas of his inner self. With friendship and high regard, high respect, Captain Wonsdale. This is a letter from Captain Wonsdale, and this is one of the most important question of the chapter. कि why did the peddler sign himself as Captain Wonsdale? इस नाम से उसने जो है उसको क्यों साइन किया? कैप्टन वॉन्सडेल के नाम से उसने लेटर को क्यों साइन किया? So it was a kind of assurance from the peddler to Adela कि आपने मुझे, क्योंकि एज ए कैप्टन स्टेटस दिया है, एज ए कैप्टन रिस्पेक्ट दिया, एज ए कैप्टन आपने मुझे ट्रीटमेंट दिया है, इन रिटर्न टू दिट आई एम कमिटेड, आई एम डिटरमिन्ड टू लिव एन आइडियल लाइफ एज दैट ऑफ ए कैप्टन। क्योंकि आपने मुझे ये जानते हुए भी कि मैं कैप्टन नहीं हूँ, उसके बाद भी आपके पहले और बाद के बिहेवियर में कोई चेंज नहीं आया, आपका बिहेवियर इक्वल रहा, इक्वल स्टेटस का रिस्पेक्ट का रहा। सो आई एम आल्सो कमिटेड टू लिव एन आइडियल लाइफ एज दैट ऑफ ए कैप्टन। मैं भी आगे अपनी लाइफ को एक कैप्टन जैसे स्टेटस में, वैसा तो नहीं इकोनॉमिकली नहीं, बट मेरे जो मैनर्स होंगे, मेरे जो आइडियाज होंगे, मेरी जो थिंकिंग्स होंगी, वो दैट विल बी लाइक ए कैप्टन। सो आई एम डिटरमिन्ड, कमिटेड टू लिव ए लाइफ ऑफ ए कैप्टन। दैट इज व्हाई ही साइंड the letter with the same name. That's it from the chapter. You have understood it. Thank you. Thank you.